Hi friends, this is Nel JD here, and I'm going to explain you on the Billion Money Tron plan, business plan. Okay, so first of all, I would like you to share this video with your teams because I'm not adding any referral link. Okay, so you can give it to anyone. Okay, and please share it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, and give a like. Right, friends, Billion Money, I'm going to explain you about Billion Money. Billion Money is a smart contract. It's a decentralized community fund sharing program. Decentralized, you need to understand this word, decentralized. What is decentralized? Decentralized means this system is on a blockchain technology. Okay, and blockchain technology works on a decentralized system. That means, like, in this blockchain technology there are like crores of servers all over the world. Okay, so whenever a system is uploaded, it goes on all these servers. So if any person who's uploading it, he can fidget with it, or can do anything with that system if there is only one single server. But this is crores of servers, so there are no chances of anyone fidgeting with the system. Okay, so in the same way, Billion Money founders, developers and admin, they have created this system. Okay, they have taken the mathematical calculation, converted into bytecode and uploaded on the blockchain. Now the Billion Money is using the Tron blockchain. Okay, it's the most advanced blockchain in the market right now. Okay, and Tron allows multinational companies to use their blockchain. What you have to do, you have to create a smart contract and verify it. Okay, so Billion Money has done it. Billion Money's contract is verified, and so once the contract is verified, there is like 0% chances of scam or fraud, because since this is a community fund sharing platform, over here whatever money the community is giving, whatever money people are giving, the owner, the founder or the developer or admin does not have any control on that money. Okay, see, understand that now whatever scams have happened, the scams happened because we or you gave the control to other people. Okay, and the founders or the company, they had the control over the money, so because of that the scam happened. But over here there is no control of the founder on the people's money. So because since the system is totally on blockchain. Okay, the second point is that the income plan, the compensation plan cannot be changed or cannot be manipulated over here, because at the start, once the calculation is uploaded, it cannot be controlled after that. Okay, the third point is that they cannot close the system because the system is on blockchain. So this system can only be shut down if the blockchain shuts down. Okay, and blockchain technology, the artificial intelligence technology is the future is of artificial intelligence. So there is no expiry date of blockchain. So if you start Billion Money today, you will be benefited, as well as your children and their children will be benefited from this system. All right, so first you need to understand that you will be doing like Tron blockchain has the fastest transaction, means you can do any transaction at a very high speed level. Okay, because in 1 second 2000 transactions happen in Tron blockchain. Okay, so whenever you are registering or doing any transaction, it will take max to max 3 seconds. Okay, the joining amount, the contribution amount is fixed over here because the transaction fees are very low. Okay, like 5 to 6 rupees. Okay, and contract, as I told you, that once the contract is verified, there are 0% chances of scam and fraud in this system. Okay, the advantages of Billion Money is that you can work from home. Every day we have Zoom meetings at 7:30 in the evening. Okay, what you can do is you can just connect your people on this Zoom meeting and you can start working just with your phone, because you know that in future, like, already the whole world is under financial crisis, recession is going on, crores of jobs are in danger, and many people are losing their jobs, businesses are getting shut down. Okay, and most important is that the uh, the prices of all the things are increasing. So if you are you ready for this kind of situation? If you are not, then you need to start with Billion Money, and you see that in coming few days and months there will be a lot of income which will be flowing in your pockets, and at the end of the day you and your family will be smiling. Okay, there is no, the second point is there is no withdrawal limit. You can if you get a commission of $1, you can withdraw it immediately. If you get you can withdraw lakhs of dollars. Okay, there is no one to stop you. You can do one transaction per day, 10 transaction, 50 transaction, 100 transactions per day. There is no condition. Okay, because no one is controlling the system. Everything is blockchain technology. I have explained you. Stable crypto USDT, I will be explaining you. Open source code. Okay, there are 3 points in that. First of all, if you have the billion money contract, you can go into the blockchain and you can study the whole contract without any password. Second point is that normally whatever concepts we are working in, the first ID, the founder's ID, the company's ID, or the top number one ID, no one has shared the password for us to check that account. Okay, but in blockchain everything is transparent, so the one number which is our founder's ID can be opened without the password and checked. Even any ID, like whatever joinings have come in, you can check any ID and without the password. Okay, so this is the beauty of this blockchain technology. Third point is that till now whatever we were working on a website. Whatever concepts we did, we were working on a website and there was a e-wallet in that, and all our commissions and incomes is to come into that e-wallet, and even our team members commission is to come in that. Okay, and one day suddenly the website is to get shut down and all our hard-earned money is to go, and we were not able to continue working in that. Okay, but here the biggest advantage of billion money is that there is no website. So we don't here there is no website. We work on a decentralized app. Okay, whatever our commissions are coming in the decentralized app. Okay, in the decentralized, that is called a DApp. Okay, so but what happens is here our founders, developers, admin, they have given us the two options, because they say that this is a community fund sharing program. So the control of the money, whatever the people's money, the control of the money should be of the people. Okay, so what they have done is they have given us the two option. One option is to withdraw your money from the DApp, and the second option is you can withdraw your money directly from the blockchain. Okay, so this is a concept where you and your team members money is 1000% safe. Okay, then we come on the global platform. Since the blockchain technology is available in all over the world, so you can, if you have some of your friends, relatives in abroad, your business partners in abroad, you can take their joining and start a team over there. Passive pool income, the billion money income plan is so beautiful that it gives you a chance to earn a passive income. What does a passive income means? Like, even when you're sleeping, when you get up in the morning and if you see a lot of cash flow in your account, that is called passive income. If you're going to if you're gone for a vacation with your family, you have spent 5 lakh rupees, when you come back and you have 15 lakh rupees in your account in the form of commissions, that is called passive income. So billion money will give you that leverage. The billion money will give you that passive income. Clone pool entry I will be explaining you ahead. Dividend royalty I will be explaining you ahead. Success guaranteed. Why is success guaranteed billion money? Because first of all, you understand that the whole system is on blockchain. Anyone who joins, even if that person is a fresher, doesn't know any knowledge of this industry, or if a student also joins, and if he does this part time very slowly, in coming 5 to 10 years he can easily become successful. The second most important reason is that the billion money income plan is calculated in such a way that every person will earn money, even a person who is not working, but that process will be a slow process. The person who will be working, he can earn in a super fast way. Okay, decentralized system, as I told you, there is no control of the owner in this system. Okay, so there are no chances of scam or fraud in this billion money system. Okay, we work when you do the registration and you get a commission, you get it in the form of USDT. It's called TRC token, Tron token. Okay, now this USDT, why we are working with the cryptocurrencies? Because we are working on the blockchain, and blockchain everything happens in the coding language. Okay, we cannot use paper currency, fiat currency like dollar or rupees, so we have to get tied up with cryptocurrency. So billion money is tied up with USDT. So whatever commissions we get, we will be getting in USDT. USDT is a very stable currency. It's same like the US dollar. Whatever the price of US dollar is the same of USDT. So it's the price does not fluctuate a lot. So we get a commission in the form of USDT, and registration happens also in the form of USDT. 3 wallets are there: Tron wallet, Tron wallet, Token Pocket, and Tron Link. These are 3 wallets. Any one wallet you can download and you can start with us. Okay, these wallets are not billion money wallets. These are Tron based wallets. These are international wallets where international people all over the world can take cryptocurrency. If they want to send it to someone, they can send it, and if they want to store it, they can store it. Okay, so in this wallets, our DApp gets connected, and once the DApp gets connected, you just need to click 4 buttons. Your registration is done. One button, you can log in into your ID. So it's so simple. All right. Next we come, like there are six different types of income which you can earn from from Billion Money Community Fund Sharing Program. So before that, what you have to do, you have to do a contribution, a small amount, which is of $25 into the system. Okay, $25 means 2000 rupees, and with that you have to keep 500 rupees extra of TRX in your account just when you do the transaction. Okay, nothing gets deducted from that 500 rupees. You get energy which is used, and then after that you can just withdraw that 500 rupees. Okay, so nothing is used from that 500. So the joining the contribution amount in Billion Money to start this business is only $25. Okay, so you get 6 different types of income. I will be explaining you one by one. First is level by, second is direct income, third is unilevel, fourth is auto pool, fifth is global dividend, and sixth is recycle income. Okay, one by one I will be explaining. Before that, I want to clear one thing, is that Billion Money is a community fund sharing program. Here you have to work. Okay, this is not an investment plan, and this is not a return on this plan does not give you ROI, which is called return on investment. So it's a pure working plan, and over here you will have to work. So first income is auto pool income. Now this auto pool income, since the name is auto, it does not make it a investment plan. Okay, auto pool income is an extra income. It comes to us in the form of reward. Now how the calculation happens, that is most important. So first, whenever your ID is placed, after your ID is placed, whatever IDs come from all over the world, they will be placed below you, and you don't have to do anything. The system will work for you. System has been given a command and calculation. The system works according to that. So system, the command that has given the system calculates like this, like it calculates up to 10 level. Okay, and it places people according to the calculation of 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, 3 into 3 calculation. With that, it will be placing people below you. So first level, when the system places 3 people below you, you get $1.5. Okay, over here you get this is not an investment plan, so you get a very little amount, but it becomes an ocean when it goes ahead. Okay, so you see, second level, when 9 people are placed below you, you get $4.5. In third level, 27 people are placed below you, get $10.8. Okay, fourth level, 81 people are placed below you by the system, you get 24.30 cents, $24.30. Okay, so it goes on the 10th level, it will place 59,049 people below you, and you get $43,000 approximately. Okay, and I'm calculating $1 as 75 rupees, so you will get approximately 32 lakhs. Okay, now this amount comes according, like there is no fixed time limit when you will get it. You can get it in 1 year, you can get it in 2 years, you can get it in 5 years, or more than that, because since this total calculation happens on the business which is coming into the system. Okay, the way the business is happening, you will be the more bigger the growth, the more faster the income you get. Okay, but one thing I would like to tell you that this system is on the blockchain technology. It's a long-term technology, so you will get it for sure. Okay, so total there are 10 auto pools. I will be explaining you the remaining 9 auto pools after I explain you the level purchase income. Level purchase income is an income wherein if you want income from the next level, you have to buy that level. Okay, in 2 phases. Okay, now how this distribution happens, you need to understand. Whenever you join, what you are doing is, by default you're buying the first level. When you're buying the first level, you have total 5 uplines below you, 5 uplines above you. Okay, so when you buy the first level, the first level income goes to your first level upline. When you buy the second level income goes to your second level upline. When you buy the third level, your third level income goes to third level upline. When you buy the fourth level income goes to fourth level upline. When you buy the fifth level income goes to fifth level upline. Okay, and each upline you're going to give them 2 times. Okay, from you they are going to be benefited 2 times. Okay, one is when you are buying the first level, second is like when you buy the 6th level, again you're giving your first level upline the 6th level income. When you buy the 7th level, again you're giving the second level upline the 7th level income. When you're buying the 8th level, again you're giving the third level upline your 8th level income. When you're buying the 9th level, again you're giving your 4th level upline the 9th level income. And when you're buying the 10th level, again you're giving your for fifth level income, the fifth level applying the 10th level income. In the same way, your downline, okay, your team member, now when they join, like the person who joins your downline, when he joins the first level downline will give you the first level and sixth level income. The second level downline will give you the second and the seventh level income. The third level downline will give you third and eighth level income. The fourth level downline will give you fourth and ninth level income, and the fifth level downline will give you fifth level and 10th level income. In this way, this is the way it gives, you give to the your upline and your downline gives you. Okay, this is the way this community works. Okay, now how this calculation happens, first of all, try understand that the auto pool income is where you don't do anything, the system does everything for you, and the calculation is 3 into 3 calculation, 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, but in the level purchase, here you have to work 101%, you have to work, and the calculation happens on 2 by 2 matrix, 2 into 2 calculation. Okay, the first level 2, second level 4, third level 8, fourth level 16, fifth level 32 people. Okay, so only 5 levels you have to work hard. Okay, now when you get 2 people below you, okay, now the placement, you cannot do the placement, the system does the placement. System has been given a command that from the top to right, left to right, they have, from top to bottom, left to right, they have to place people, okay, below you. So when you sign up, the first person will be placed under you on the left, then on the right, then it will finish that first level, then it will go down. On the second level, there are 4 people who will come, so the first person will be placed on the left, and the fourth will be on the right. That line finishes, again he'll come down, so left to right, the people will be placed below you. Okay, now what you have to do is, when you sign up 2 people, okay, you get the level income. Okay, I'm going to explain you direct income once I finish this. So so when you sign up 2 people below you, you will get $10 each. Okay, so total of 20. You also get uni level income, which I will be explaining you ahead. You get $2 of that, and you get direct income from 2 people, so it's $4, total $8, so total of $30 you get. Okay, now what you have to do is, as the system say that you have to get the income from the other level, you have to buy that level, but the system says that you have to pay only once from your pocket. If you want the commission from other level, you have to work, and whatever commission you get from that commission, you can buy the other level. So over here on the first level you got $30. So what you're doing is, you're rooming $25 and keeping it, you are buying the second level, and remaining $5 is your profit, you can withdraw it. Okay, so in the second level, how many people come? 4 people. 4 people, when they buy their second level, you are getting $15 each, so total is $60. $10 is your profit, you can withdraw it. $50 you need to buy the third level. Third level, total 8 people come. 8 people, when they buy the third level, you are getting $30 each from each person, so total of $240. $100 you have to keep it in your pocket, you can withdraw it. $140 you need to buy the fourth level. Fourth level, 16 people come. 16 people, when they buy the fourth level, every person you're going to get $90 each, so total of $1,440. What you have to do is, $840 is the profit, remaining $600 you need to buy the fifth level. Fifth level, there are 32 people. 32 people, when they buy the fifth level, you get $412, which is like 30,000 approximately. Each person will give you 30,000. 32 people will give you 9,88,800 rupees. Okay, $13,184. Okay, now this is the first phase. You just have to work hard on these 5 levels. Okay, once you work hard on these 5 levels, and one more most important thing what you have to do is, you have to keep buying your levels. Okay, you have to keep purchasing your levels, because if you it is very important, because if you stop purchasing, you are stopping yourself from taking a very big income ahead. Okay, in future, like we say, we cut the hen who was giving the golden egg. Okay, so in the same way, this is called phase 1. Okay, now what you did was, when you get 9,88,800, what you have to do is, you have to buy the 6th level. From this money, you have to buy the 6th level for $2,500. Again, 2 people will pay you. Now who are these 2 people whom you will get? These 2 people you will get income from them again, but these are not, you don't have to get some new people. What you have to do is, these are the 2 same people who had paid you $20 on the first level. These 2 same people will give you $3,600, which comes to 2,70,000 rupees. Okay, what you have to do is, from this you have to buy the 7th level of 3,000 dollars. Okay, again in the second level, the 4 people who had given you $60, this same 4 people will be you will be getting 8,100 from these 4 people, which will become $8,100, which will become 6,07,500 rupees. From this you have to buy the 8th level for $5,000. In this, when you buy the 8th level, the 3rd level people, which are 8 people, which had already paid you $240, the same 8 people, you will get $27,000, which comes to 20,25,000 rupees. Okay, from this again you have to buy the ninth level for $8,000. In this level, the 4th level people, the 16 people who from whom you had got $1,440, the same 16 people in the 9th level will pay you $86,400, which comes to 64,80,000 rupees. From this you have to again buy the 10th level for $15,000. In this, the 5th level people, who are 32 people, from whom you got 9,88,800 rupees, those same people, 32 people, will be you will be getting 3,31,200, which comes to 24 crore 84 lakhs. Okay, to 24 crore 84 lakh rupees. Okay, so total is 3 crores 3 crore 53 lakhs 43,300 rupees. So what is the contribution that you did? Was just 2,000 rupees, and you get such a big reward. Now again I come to auto pool. When you buy the first level, you get auto pool of 32 lakh, approximately 32 lakhs. When you buy the second level, you get auto pool of approximately 40 lakhs. When you buy the third level, you get auto pool of approximately 80 lakhs. When you buy the 4th level, you get a auto pool of 1 crore 61 lakhs approximately. And when you buy the 5th level, you get 4 crore, approximately 4 crore auto pool. Okay, so total comes to 240 crore. Okay, now this 240 crore can come to you in 5 years time, 10 years time, 15 years time, 20 years time. What bad it is if you get it in 20 years time also, because you have seen that many people are working who for many years, for 50 years, 60 years, and still did not have a single rupee in saving. Okay, over here you're starting with just a contribution amount of 2,000, and imagine in coming few years, if you get this kind of amount, what you can do. You can buy a good house, you can buy a good car, you can give a good lifestyle to your family, you can take them for international trips every month. Okay, you can give your child a good education. If he wants to become a doctor, you can send him on the topmost universities, if your child wants to start a business, you can do that. Okay, a lot of things can happen. You can fulfill all your dreams. The most important thing is that because of this COVID, many people had taken loans. Okay, after the COVID, there was no way of income, and they went deep into that, and today they are like struggling. They only have one option of committing suicide. So any of my brother, sister who is listening this this video, and listening to my words, if you have this kind of issue, do not worry. You start with us with the billion money, and you will see in coming 6 months to 1 year's time, everything will change for you, and you will come out of all your problems. Okay, I come like now I go ahead and I'll explain you the third income, which is called direct income. Now this direct income is a very powerful income, where every direct, like you can do unlimited directs. Okay, I'm just giving you an example of 2 directs. Okay, what will you get on 2 directs? So first I'm talking on your A and B. Okay, so when your A and B buys the first level, you get $4 each, total $8, total comes to $600. Okay, when your second level directs, okay, when they buy the second level, okay, your A and B, when they buy, I'll correct my words. Okay, your A and B, when the same directs, when they buy the second level, you will get $4 each, total $8, 600 rupees. Okay, the same directs again, when they buy the third level, you will get $8 each, total $16, total comes to 1,200 rupees. Okay, the fourth level, when your same directs, the A and B, when they buy the 4th level, you get $25 each, which comes to $48, total 3,600 rupees. Okay, approximately. When they buy the 5th level, you get $220, which comes to 16,500. When they buy the 6th level, you get 960, that is come to 72,000 rupees. In this way, the total amount that you get is 9,40,500 rupees. Imagine, even if you get one direct, and if you help him out to buy all the 10 levels, you are making 4,50,000. There is no other concept or plan in the market which can give you so much of income only on one income, that is called direct income. Okay, You can search it out. Now I come to uni level. Uni level, every level, whichever person comes in, like the first level you get 5%, like whatever IDs fall on each level you get certain percentage. Like first level, from the first level you get 5%, second level you get 4%, third level you get 3%, fourth level you get 2%, fifth to 10th level you get 1%, 11th to 20th level you get 0.5%. So this is a very powerful income. It is calculated accordingly by 2 by 2 matrix. First level 2, second level 4, 8, 16, in this way. On the 20th level it will be 10,48,576 people, which you will get total of 1 cr 57 lakhs 44,750 rupees. Even if your single leg works over here, you will get approximately 75 lakhs. Imagine, single leg. Okay, global dividend income, every month whatever the turnover happens, 5% will be removed and kept aside, and it will be distributed among all the achievers, global dividend achievers, in every 30 days. Okay, to become a global dividend achiever, what you have to do, you have to sponsor 10 directs from your ID. Okay, once you do that, you become a lifetime achiever, the global dividend achiever, and for lifetime, every month you will be getting the global dividend in your account. Okay. Okay, the last income is recycle income. It's a very powerful income. I call it a 5-star income. Okay, and I am working for this income only, and many leaders are working for this income, because I'll give you an example. When you sow a mango tree, and when that mango tree becomes huge and it starts giving mangoes every year without stopping, it gives you. Okay, so in the same way, this is recycle income. Every time when you buy a level, okay, the validity of the level is 120. The same way the phone recharge validity is like we have, like, for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. The same way, every level that you buy in Billion Money, the validity is 120 days, which is 4 months. Okay, so say like you joined and you started and you worked very hard, you created a team of 10 levels. Okay, and then after 4 months your validity is over, you buy the validity again. In the same way, your team will buy. So your first 2 people will again pay you $30. Your third, when they buy, okay, after you, when their level will over, when they buy, you get like the first level 2 people will again pay you, the second level 4 people will again pay you $60, third level 8 people will again pay you $240, fourth level 16 people will pay you $1,440. In the same way, if 10 level you have people up to 10 level, so you will be getting 3 cr 50 approximately 3.50 cr, plus you will be getting approximately 1.50 cr from the uni level income. So total of 5 cr, and recycling will happen every 3 times in a year, so it will be 15 cr approximately every year. So imagine, friends, that every time, like, this recycling happen, and you will get every year 15 cr. So what it will make you feel. The second point in this is that every time when you buy your level, okay, you go into a new auto pool. So the previous one is going on, and still the new one will be added. The third point in this is that many people say that this is auto pool. Whenever the joining happens a lot, when the system grows, the last person who joins does not get an auto pool. He's right, because he has seen the system where they work only on one income, that is the auto pool income. But in Billion Money we have a total of 6 incomes. Auto pool is one extra income for us, but then too we have the recycle income. Say like we have today 9,000 IDs. Coming few months it will become 15 lakhs. The last ID, the 15 lakh number ID, when it falls, and on top there is a leader who has a 10 level team, and his level is over, what happens? The same way, like the tire, the way it goes round and round, the same way that ID will be placed automatically by the system below the 15 lakh ID number, and his whole 10 level team, where it will come below the 15 lakh ID number. So every person, like the number 1 ID or the last ID, okay, every person will get to earn the auto pool, okay, in Billion Money system. I like to give you the summary. If these 20 level, if your work is become up to 20 level, so you will be getting this income for every 4 months. Okay, so uni level you will be getting approximately 1 cr 57 lakhs. Level purchase you will be getting approximately 3 cr 53 lakhs approximately. Direct income only on 2 people, you can do unlimited as much you want. Only on 2 people you will get 4,70,000 approximately. In auto pool you will be getting approximately 240 cr. Friends, I would like to tell you that we have a system in place, Billion Money success formula. What you have to do is very simple. It's a 3-step formula. If you follow this without any headache, without any hassle, you can do this business and you can earn a good amount of income. The first step is you need to invite all your people, maximum people every day, on the Zoom meetings which we have at 7:30 p.m. every day. Okay, after that, after the meeting, you need to take them on a conference call with your upline or a senior leader, okay, and after that you need to do the registration. If you do this three steps successfully, there is no one who will stop you from becoming successful in billion money, friends. Okay, so friends, I will end my presentation here. Okay, and this is the best opportunity, my dear friends, because your money and your team members money is 1000% safe, because as I told you that we have an option of withdrawing this money in the blockchain and in your DApp. So it's a excellent opportunity. So you can whoever has sent you this video, you can get back to that person, ask him how the joining procedure, or you can clear your doubts with his senior leader. Okay, thank you very much, friends. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.